So we're on day 23 of isolation. I'm going a little bit crazy. I'm still with yous.
Here's Johnny.
I've just done a full day at work. Well, not at work, because my work is the back room. But I've just been logged in to work all day. I've had quite a productive day. It's quite good. Ended on a good note. Got part of my project working. But the real highlight of today is I've had a delivery.
Postman Pat, and his black and white cat.
I've had a delivery from a company called Doughnut Time. Now, Doughnut Time, I believe, are a chain of shops down south, I think in New Zealand and Australia as well. But online, you can order, for a pretty handsome sum of money, a box of donuts, complete with a whole bunch of stuff to decorate them yourself. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So I've made the donuts, I've let them set a little bit, and now I'm going to test them. So I've got myself a cheeky cup of coffee, extra, usually not on the caffeine at post 4 PM, but I've got a late workout today, so.
Remember, the procedure is, you got to warm up the body before you start any kind of activity. If you're walking, running, you got to think about it, make sure it's safe.
Right, let's give this a go. So I'm going for the chocolate yellow glaze Haribo sprinkle number first. The glaze isn't too sweet, which is nice. Donut's pretty fluffy. Considering they've travelled. Good consistency. Not too overpowering. Wasn't sure about the jelly sweets and the glaze, but it actually works really well. These are quite doughy. The glaze isn't too sweet. The hit of sweetness from the Haribo is really good. I regret nothing. Little gummy bear on there, I don't know if you can see. That's it. It was pretty expensive because I'm not leaving the house. I'm not spending hardly any money, so that's how I justify it to myself. But to be fair, gift, special occasion maybe. Worth it. Okay, strawberry sprinkle. Other than the giant one you get at Universal. I don't think I've ever had a strawberry sprinkle donut before. That's nice. Strawberry glaze a little bit sweeter. Or it could just be the sprinkles that make it sweeter, but it's nice. So the donuts are sent to you overnight. These were baked yesterday and dispatched. And they came this morning. To be fair, you're paying £6 alone for that service. Before, obviously, the premium donuts, so I'll give you an idea of how much they cost. Desperate times, though. Last bite. Doughnut Time Donuts. Solid 8 out of 10. I'm gonna hazard a guess, going in the actual store, they're gonna be a 10 out of 10 because those 2 points deducted there are probably from transit and creating them myself. But overall experience 10/10. Price bleh, 7 out of 10. Actual donut quality 8 out of 10. So all in all, pretty awesome.